Welcome. If you want to enter app permissions in your ZTE Axon 10 Pro, for the first go for the settings, and right here we have to enter apps, then move for the permission manager. For example, we can enter the location, and as you can see, allow at all time it is the Google app and the maps, so we can do the same for the calendar. So here you have to select allow only while using the application, and we can do the same for example for the best weather. So let's choose here the allow all the time, and then just go back, and as you can see it changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.